Hello everyone, this is Chiji from Desktop Coach and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about how to display columns and rows and how we can uncover formulas that have been applied in a worksheet. In the last video, we recreated the table design from the fourth lesson from our Microsoft Excel for Beginners series. Click the link above to check out that video. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the content. And if you do, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check out the description below for our Microsoft 365 giveaway. Alright then, let's get to it. Alright, so we have a simple table here showing our 2022 quarter one online orders. It has 5 columns and a bunch of rows. So let's go ahead and recreate this in our worksheet. So this table has some columns and rows missing. Let's go ahead and unhide them. To unhide a column, look for the missing letter in the sequence or a double line in the column bar. Select the columns surrounding the double line, right-click, and select Unhide. Let's try this a second way. We'll go ahead and undo this. We'll start again by selecting the columns around the double line, and then within the Home tab and in the Cells group, we'll click the Format drop-down and use the Visibility options where we can unhide the columns. Now let's try this again for the rows. When we take a look at the row bar, we can see some missing numbers between 10 and 16. Let's select the rows surrounding the double line, right-click again, and we can click Unhide. Now let's undo our steps and try this a second way like we did with the columns. We can go through the Home tab within the Cells group. Let's use the Format drop-down. Within the Hide and Unhide options, we can click Unhide Rows. Now that we have all the rows and columns revealed, let's go ahead and add a column for the order total. To add a column, click the cell next to the last column heading and enter the column name. When that's done, we can apply formatting to the cells by selecting a cell with the required formatting and selecting the Format Painter button in the Clipboard group under the Home tab. We can then repeat these steps for the remaining cells in the column. Now that we have applied the formatting to the cells in the new column, let's go ahead and check out the column width of our column D. By going to the Format drop-down in the Cells group and click Column Width, we can see that right now it's 20. Let's cancel and go ahead and apply that to our column E using the same steps. Now let's enter a simple formula for our order totals. We'll click on the first cell in the totals column and we'll start with the equal sign as it is with all formulas. We'll try unit price multiplied by quantity and hit enter for the total. Now let's click on that first cell, hover over to the bottom right. Using the handle, let's double click to AutoFill. Now let's see how well it's populated the cells. We'll scroll down. All right, looks good. Let's go back up. Okay, let's uncover the formulas we've used in this table. To do that, we'll go to the Formulas tab under the Formula Auditing group. We'll just click Show Formulas. All right. We can select the cells to see the formulas that have been entered into each cell. And we can scroll down to take a full look at the table and back up. And to hide the formulas, we just go back to the Formula Auditing group and click Show Formulas. To share a defined document, let's set our print area. We'll select the table title and heading row. Using the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-Down arrow, we'll select the entire table. And now we can go up to the Page Layout tab. Under the Page Setup group, we'll select the Print Area drop-down and set Print Area. Let's check out the print preview. We can see that our last column's cut off. Let's fix that by using the scaling option at the bottom, selecting fit all columns on one page, and now we can see everything fits properly. Alright, thanks everyone for spending time with me today. As always, I'd love to see your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we put out something new. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next lesson.